are being lied to. Your teachers, your books, even your favorite podcasts, they are all filling your head with ghost knowledge. It feels real while you're reading or hearing it, but 24 hours later, poof, it's mostly gone. You're literally wasting hours of your life every single week. But don't worry, today, you will learn a memory system to turn your brain into a knowledge black hole. Did you know that after reading a book, you forget 90% of it? That's like buying a pizza, eating one slice, and throwing the rest in the trash. The secret to keeping the whole pizza isn't reading faster. It's actively interacting with the knowledge you have just read, or what I'd like to call it, the DMT method. It's what medical students and engineers use to learn 10 times faster than everyone else. And no, it's not the psychedelic drug you are thinking about. First is D for do. Most people binge watch programming tutorials and think they're ready to build the next Facebook. Surprise, you're not. If you read 50 pages on how to build a website, but never actually open your code editor and type a single line of code, you've learned exactly zero. Your brain only saves what you execute. The rule is, if what you're reading involves an action, stop at page 5 and go do it. If you don't have time to do it, stop reading. You're just mental overeating, and you're going to vomit it all up later. Next is M for map. Your brain is not a filing cabinet. It's a spider web. When you learn something new, like why the Roman Empire fell, don't just memorize dates. Connect it to something you already know. Is it like a modern business failing? Or like a massive group chat where everyone had a huge argument at the same time and then just left the group? Draw a map with circles and arrows. If the new info isn't hooked onto an old memory, it just floats away. Finally, and this is the most powerful part, T for teach. This is the Feynman technique on steroids. As soon as you finish a chapter, find someone, your mom, your dog, or even your imaginary friend you had when you were a toddler, and then explain it to them. The catch: you have to explain it in such a simple way that even a baby can understand. If you use big words or get stuck, it means you don't actually understand it yet. Teaching is the save button for your brain. It forces the info to move from your temporary memory into your permanent hard drive. So, stop being a passive consumer. Start being a smart and active DMT learner. Do the work, map the links, and teach the world. Which part of this system is the hardest for you? Let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized knowledge that helps you get smarter every day.